Tuning the A string, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to demystify a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first. Tuning the A string. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about new expressions, this video will help you understand not just the words, but also the context behind them. Let's dive in and explore together. Before we delve into the phrase itself, it's important to understand its components. The A string refers to one of the strings on a musical instrument, such as a guitar, violin, or cello. It's named after the musical note that it produces when played open, without pressing down on any frets or finger positions. Tuning, on the other hand, is the process of adjusting the tension of a string so that it produces the correct note when played. Instruments can go out of tune due to changes in temperature, humidity, or simply from being played. Thus, tuning is a regular maintenance task for musicians. The A string holds a particular significance in tuning because it's often used as a reference point. For many string instruments, the A string is tuned first, using a tuning fork, pitch pipe, electronic tuner, or another instrument as a reference. Once the A string is tuned to the correct pitch, the other strings are tuned in relation to it. This method ensures that the instrument sounds harmonious and that the notes produced are in the correct relationship with each other. It's a foundational aspect of playing any stringed instrument and crucial for beginners to learn. Interestingly, tuning the A string can also be used metaphorically, beyond the realm of music. In everyday language, it might refer to the idea of making small adjustments to improve a situation or fine-tuning a skill. This expression highlights the importance of attention to detail and the need for continual improvement, whether in music, work, or personal growth. We hope this video has helped you understand what tuning the A string means, both literally and figuratively. Remember, learning a new language, much like learning an instrument, requires patience, practice, and a lot of fine-tuning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions about phrases that pique your curiosity. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.